This has to be reversed. What?
My name is Mayan Spaccarelli. I've got a race shop that's run by a bunch of teenagers. They're gonna get it done or drive me insane in the process.
The axle in nice and snug. Then we could square up the rotor to make sure it's centered. And then we'll put the sprocket on. The bigger this is, the slower it's gonna go. The smaller it is, the faster it's going to go, but the more power it's going to need to go faster. So this is the rotor right here. This spins here, and when you step on the brakes, the hydraulic fluid squeezes these pistons and it clamps down on it and it stops it from going. That's a rotor. That's a caliper. These are the brake pads. Same as on your car. See these pads? There's metal right here, and then there's pad material. When you hear brakes squealing really bad, all the pad is gone and it's metal to metal, and you've effectively ruined your brakes. Because I muffed it up, I'm going to take a line like this, and I'm going to mark it so we put it right in the exact same spot. You know what they say, there's always time to do it right the second time. Come on, Nathan, come on, let's go. Let's get this done. We got to get this cart done tonight.
Hold on, let me get a watch.
Look, hold on. Make sure this thing's centered.
I gotta do the bottom one.
I just want to make sure it's centered. See, this thing slides real easy. Okay. See this line here? It's got to be pretty much dead center.
Okay.
See that right here? So the question is, do we go on this side of it or the other side? Hey, on Allen, bro, first off, these things twist and get all bent out of shape. But see how you took it out and it kind of muffed the threads up? So get the thing in all aggressively and then keep it straight and then pull it off. Sometimes you can click back and get them off easy.
Okay.
Guys, I think I have some bad news.
Oh, that's not good.
This has to be reversed. What?
Are you kidding?
Maybe not.
Oh, it's good, you know? Try something new.
I think we got to do it right. But look, if I flip it, will it still be right? Hey guys, just take all these out and let's just flip it real quick. Rotate. Rotate.
Okay, now push it towards Nick.
I think you're good.